Time right now, 10:05. And we are showing a 45-minute wait. The smokestacks are working for the first time in a very, very long time. They fixed that. In the queue pretty much got like a freshly updated. There were some water features which look to be off at the moment. Yep, for whatever reason the water's off at the moment. But this line's moving pretty good so far. I don't think this will be a 45-minute wait. And we'll definitely be able to get some good looks into the upcoming Cars land. So we're kind of moving kind of quick. I can't really take a look at a whole lot of stuff. I do know in the queue, a lot of the canaries, a lot of the effects are back up and running or working again. Whereas a lot of the stuff in this queue has been down for a very, very long time. It desperately needed a refurb, for sure. If I'm able to stop, I'll show you guys some stuff. This is what you guys get. Oh, no, we're moving. Sorry. Maybe we'll stop here?
Which one match?
Nope. Can't even stop here for you guys.
I get ahead of you.
I'm just gonna keep this rolling. Maybe if you guys can pause on something. So once we get on the ride, there's some new effects. The new cavern has all been painted. One of the ending scenes, there's a big giant golden nugget, which you'll see here in a little bit from the ride POV. But I am so excited to go back on this ride. It has been way too long. Instructions. Frank. I don't know. Can I get a drink? Nope. Get a picture. Sorry, I'm holding up the line. This is what, 10:15? This is amazing. I know there's some Easter eggs on here. I don't have time. Here's a look. Oh, look at on the other side. Here's a look at the Piston Peak Cars area. You can really see them building a lot of stuff, excavating. I know the water that everybody was upset about will be returning, so maybe they're digging some trenches for the water. They have a lot of structure up though. A lot of building some like structure, retaining walls, things like that. For what it's worth, Big Thunder went down to a 35-minute wait. This line, like I said, this line's been moving and grooving. I did try to catch that. The ride, I'm on number 7. The ride height requirement went down. It was 42. It is now 38 inches. So if you have younger kids, they can now ride it. 38 inches is the ride height. So one big update on this ride is the track is entirely new. All new steel, metal, all everything brand new. I heard it's a lot smoother, which is good, but also a little bit slower. So we'll see. Here we go. I'm so excited, you guys. It's been, like I said, it's been way too long. Here we go. Let's go. I believe we get the new Rainbow Cavern. Danger. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, like it wet? Let's go! All new paint job. Whoa, 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 whoa. So far, so good, you guys. But look at this view. You can see into the new cars area. Oh, we're going down. We gotta go. Oh, even back here too for new villains. This should be the part where we see, there it is. The big nugget. All right. I still like that. That was fun.
Water bottle.
All right, let's see what we can see. Doesn't look like much. The old overlook. You can't even see the overlook anymore. At least for right now. All right, you guys. So let's talk about it. Some of the criticism that I've heard so far since this has been back up is, well, one, it is a lot smoother of a ride. The new rails really helped, so I like that aspect of it. Two, people were saying it's slower and not really as crazy of a ride anymore. I had a blast on that ride. If it is slower, it might be like 3 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour. It's not a significant drop in change of miles per hour. So I feel like a lot of the criticism is really honestly an overreaction. I loved it. It's a great ride. It's been a long time obviously since I've been on it, but I'm happy it's back. It is my favorite, one of my favorite rides here at Magic Kingdom. It's good. It went back up to a 45-minute wait, but the queue is now extended out here. So time we got 10:28.